Hello Internet, we have another EVGA for repair with the word super. After getting super from MSI, I started to get all sorts of negative feelings. But hey, this is EVGA. Customer stated no picture, so let's take it apart and see if we can find out what's wrong. Nothing obvious to me, so let's take a look at the resistances. 12 volt kilo ohms, 3.3 kilo ohms. I think this one's a USB with several kilo ohms. 2.2K on 1.8 volt. This is a 3.3 volt. 20 ohm on memory. This is Samsung, so that's normal. This 12 volt inductor is short. This 12 volt inductor is not. 5 volt is short with 4.8 ohms, and the rest are all 12 volt with several kilo ohms. Okay, so let's look at the first shorted coil on the board view. If short is coming from the right, then the problem is on the right. And if the short is coming from the left, then the problem is also on the left. Easy, right? In this case, you can see that the coil is powering two driver MOSFETs. So what I want to do now is to remove the coil and see which side is shorting out. Looks like we have a short on the left. Let's take a look under a microscope, maybe we'd find something obvious. But after looking for a while, I don't see anything. What I want to do now is to inject some voltage and see what gets hot. Right there. It's the lower one. Let's remove it and see if the short is gone. And the short is gone. That's great. Now, because we had a short on 12 volt and did not have any craters or any burn marks, I'm guessing the fuse had saved this board, so let's check the fuse. Yep. The fuse is blown, so let's replace it with a new one so we can continue with testing. Now let's check and see if we have all the required voltages. 1.8 check, PEX check, 3.3 check, 12 here, 12 here, and 12 here, 5 here, 12 here, and 12 here, but I'm measuring the wrong path, so the reading is a little bit off. Memory is there, and all the core voltages are present. And this is the part we need to replace. I don't have it in stock, so I'll have to wait for the delivery. Meanwhile, let's plug the card in and see if we get a picture, and run a memory test while we're at it. Memory test has passed. That's great. Nothing left to do but to solder the coil back on and wait for the delivery. Driver MOSFET installed, card has been assembled, and I already ran all the tests needed to confirm that everything works as expected. So we're done with this one. Hopefully you learned something today, and if so, please hit me with the like button, subscribe for more repairs, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.